Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the spacebar key is stuck and computer keeps on typing spaces continuously, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what we have to do. First of all, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for keyboards. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Okay, the next one is to right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab, scroll down, select keyboard and make sure that all these three switches are off. If that doesn't help either, then try disconnecting and reconnecting the keyboard and check if the spacebar key is actually stuck on the keyboard itself. Okay, so this is how you can fix it. And if that doesn't help either, or if it's a keyboard connected to your laptop, then please call a hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice